Hey everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Cash App. You will click on settings. In this page here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Cash and you will click here. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about Cash App and then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your